In this lesson, we will learn how to download and install Unity. In order to get started with Unity, you will need to download and install the software on your computer. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step 1. Creating an account. The first thing you need to do is to go to Unity website at unity.com. Once you're there, click the profile icon and select Create a Unity ID if you don't have an account. Enter your credentials and tick the acknowledgement after reading relevant links. Tick the I am not robot captcha if you see one. Click the Create a Unity ID button. Open your email box and click the link to confirm email. Tick the captcha if it's there and click the Verify button. Sign in to your Unity ID using your email and password. Step 2. Choose a plan. Click on the profile icon and select Download Unity. Click See Plans and Pricing tab. Make sure you are logged in. Unity offers several different plans, including a free personal plan and various paid plans that offer additional features and support. For most beginners, the free personal plan will be sufficient. For this lesson, I will select the Student and Hobbyist tab and click the Get Started button in the Personal option. Step 3. Download Unity Hub. After you have selected your plan, you will be taken to a page where you can download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is a tool that helps you manage your Unity installation and projects. I am using Windows, so I will click the Download for Windows button. For other operation systems, click the Download Other Versions button. Click the Download button and follow the instructions to download and install the software and read the license agreement. Step 4. Install Unity. Once you have installed Unity Hub, you can use it to install Unity itself. Open up Unity Hub and click on the Installs tab. Click Install Editor, select the Official Releases tab, look for the versions under the Long-Term Support group, and click the Install button next to the latest available version. Untick the Visual Studio options if you already have Visual Studio installed on your computer. Otherwise, keep the option ticked as we will need it to use Visual Studio with Unity later. Click Install. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Unity Hub and Editor. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create a new Unity project using them.